Eiley, can you walk? No, Eiley.
She's crawling, not walking.
I know, I wanted her to walk. Come here, Isles.
She'll walk in a minute.
Can you walk? Can you do it? Come on, Bubba's. Eiley, come here. Come here.
Just like
Come here. Yay! Yay! You walked for a minute. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yay, Eiley! Eiley, can you clap? Can you clap? Can you clap? Yay! You're such a big girl. Yes, you are. Okay, I think she's done walking for a little while, huh? She's been walking a lot today, though. I think pretty soon she's going to be running around.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? I do.